To draw a new sketch, select any one of the plane here. I'm going to select the front plane and click on Sketch from the pop-up window or select Sketch from the toolbar above. And I'm going to explain the line command. Select the line, and on my model tree you notice that I have the orientation options as sketched. That means I can able to draw any one of these lines, horizontal, vertical or the angular lines. For this purpose, I'm going to draw the angle line. Select the angle and select this point and draw a line like this, and I'm going to enter the dimensions of it. Let me type a value of 200 and press enter from the keyboard. And I'm going to draw an angle with 45 degree, and to exit from the line command press the escape button. Now you see that I have drawn an angular line with an angle of 45 degree and a length of 200. Let me explain the various options which are available in the line command. The first is for construction. Select this construction here, and with this you can able to draw a construction line like this. Press the escape button. And you can also draw an infinite horizontal line or a vertical line or an inclined line by selecting this infinite length here. You can also activate the line command. Just right click on the graphics window and select the line command and draw a line like this. And press the right mouse button again and click on select to exit from the line command. And to edit the dimensions of the line, double tap on the dimensions here, and I'm going to enter the dimensions value of 100. And as usual you see that my line is in blue color, whereas the previous line which I have drawn is in black color. The line with the blue color is not constrained, and this black color represents that the line is fully defined or fully constrained. To make it constrained, I'm going to click this point and my infinite line and enter a vertical distance of 65. And I'm going to select this same point here and assign the horizontal dimensions from the origin point as well. Select smart dimensions and assign the horizontal dimensions as a value of 225. And still now my line is not fully constrained because I haven't mentioned the angle of it. So go to smart dimension once again and select this line and this line and enter some angle of 45 degree. And now you notice that my line is fully constrained here. Select the line command again. This time if I uncheck this and add dimensions and draw a line like this, you may see that there is no dimensions displayed on it. So while drawing a sketch, always remember that this add dimensions is checked on for your convenience. To draw a center line, from the drop down list of the line, click on the center line and draw a center line like this. You can also make your center line as an infinite length by selecting this infinite length option.